Hey, another Allen wrench. I definitely need that. So we got a new TV for the house. So we have an old TV. And I know I shouldn't do this. My wife knows I shouldn't do this. But I think we're gonna bring it out here. Because what else do you do when you sand? I mean, you can be sanding for like 4 hours straight. This is where I sit or stand. I got my little rubber pad and I sand my materials here. Right in the center. Are we doing it? I mean, this is already here, so. All right, it's a little big. We're gonna take off the base. I found one person who's excited that I'm bringing this out here, aren't you? What are we gonna watch?
Spirit Riding Free.
Spirit Riding Free. That sounds good to me.
Fleas.
Spirit Riding Fleas? Ew, fleas, that's crazy. And the new mount should just screw into these. And I'm gonna have to take down some of that stuff to make room for it. Isn't this thing gonna fall off once I get all these screws out? Maybe I should tilt it forward first. That ought to work. All right, base is off. I need to open this thing. Oh no, I have to open cut a piece of tape right there. There's scissors, but hold on. My wife, she got me a Christmas present. Whatever could this be? Oh. You gotta get yourself a woman that will buy you things like this. Because I love you, Jimmy. But I won't spoil myself. But she sure will. That's pretty cool. Look at that serration there. That's neat. After you cut with this, I feel like you just have to throw it into something. Hey! I don't know. Here. Oh, I bent the tip. No, I'm just kidding. This is actually pretty thick, so I think we're good. Of course. Good quality there, Jimmy. I made sure they're sharp. Alrighty. I got this stuff. I've used this mount before on a TV that we put out at the deck near our hammocks, and it's works really well. I think it's only around $30. Pivots out and everything. And you can see it's got pretty good travel. This is the part that goes on the TV, and that you can mount into the wall. Or a stud, preferably. Spacers, bolts, lag screws. This is what will go into the wall. Hey, another Allen wrench. I definitely need that. I hate my life. All right, well, we'll just leave that till next year. You take these two bolts off, and then you can mount this bracket to the TV, and then it can hang from this little hook right here. So these two parts can be separate while you're hanging everything up. This is taking forever, so I'm gonna skip the size of this TV, which is a 50-inch. I have to use these extensions, but it works out pretty well. Since these screws are pretty long, tightening the first one by hand just to make sure it's not gonna go in and poke any of the important guts. Switching to a drill would be fine. And once this gets on the wall, it'll hook onto that. Across here, this is the midpoint. I don't believe there's a stud right here. So we'll probably have to put a piece of plywood here to kind of bridge the gap. See, I don't have a stud finder. That looks pretty obvious that that's a stud right here. Down by the bay. Huh? So I've got some holes pre-drilled. They're 16 inches apart. And I believe I've got it lined up with a stud here. I'm gonna put in one screw, see if it catches. If it's making that sound, it means you caught a stud. I'm gonna try to pull it out and it's not moving, so we're good. All right, I need a level. I got one screw holding it up, put my level on top. Yep, caught a stud. Level. Check the level one more time because it looks wonky now. And it is. Oh, there's washers. Not important, right? That's awesome. I would love to have one of these for my laptop down there. Wonder if I can make that happen. All right, now we should be able to hook the TV up on that. Let's give it a shot. I can't remember when we bought this TV, 2011 or it's a lot heavier. Oh, okay. Oh my word.
How much stays are we staying in that one?
I can't see it. Nope. Okay. This is good. Now I can see. And the hook
This
holds
is
it.
broken.
Okay.
This came out when it was broken.
That's awesome. All right, let's put those bolts in so it won't fall down. That's huge. Look how big. Bella, look at your TV. I think we can get it centered. I hope. I just cleaned off the TV. This is the only time it's ever going to be clean. Plugged it in. Power on. Ability for adjustment. Pushing it back. Getting it centered and level. I'm going to put a Google Chromecast on it so I can just use my voice to kind of turn it on. These things are really cheap. You practically just have to sell your soul to Google and let them track everything you do to get them for free. Now the trick is, I've got to come up with some practical reasons for having it out here because my wife doesn't think I should have a TV out here. Isn't that crazy? Why does she think that? So let me list out some things that I plan on using this for. Here you go, wife. This is why I need a TV in the workshop. Here's a reason. While I'm out here all alone, I can still see cute pictures of my kids.
No, you aren't out here all alone.
Well, not right now, but at 2 o'clock in the morning I am. You're sleeping. And of course, it will remind me of my one true love. Another reason, I'll always know what time it is. And I'll know the weather. And if it's raining outside. All right, here's a good one. I can monitor my laser down there while I'm over there sanding. So I can tell if anything's catching on fire. Pretty cool, huh? I can even monitor my CNC from over there. See? Or if I don't feel like looking out the window, I can look through the camera to make sure no one's coming up the driveway. I'm wondering how high I can get my voice. Let's see, what else? I need some more reasons. So it's cool because I can even use it to keep up with the news. Oh, that's delightful. And it's voice activated so that we can watch everyone's favorite YouTube channel. Okay, Google, play Chad's Custom Creations on Workshop TV.
Okay, playing Chad's Custom
What, you can't say my name? Can't say my whole name? So cute. Seen this video? You should watch it. It's alright. Gonna need to get some new speakers out here though, because they don't sound very good. Maybe headphones. Can I link up the headphones to this? So I just got this for the TV as well. And okay, Amazon, that's yuck. This is pre-owned apparently. Bluetooth transmitter. That'll plug into the power and it will transmit a Bluetooth signal that I can link up to my headphones when I'm out here in the shop. So if I was sanding, I'd still be able to hear what the TV is playing through. Dual link. So I could even have one set up for my daughter too while she's out here. Or if I wanted to do Bluetooth speakers simultaneously so that if I wasn't sanding, I could take out the headphones and still listen. That's pretty cool. Bluetooth transmitter can go right into this USB plug. Yeah, so that must be enough power. Headphone output right there. Okay, I've got my little headphones, and these have been great. I got them off of Amazon quite a long time ago. They're very comfortable. They work well. I'll put a link to these in the description as well, because I do recommend them. They're good. So when I pull these out of the case, they'll start to pair. So I'll long press. Oh, connected. Oh, it worked. Yeah, it worked. Cool. Okay, so that was pretty easy. Oh, cool. So headphones, working on the TV. Good deal. And it even gives something for the kids to watch when I'm working out here. Even link it up with our baby monitors so I can keep an eye on the child while I work. I can even add to my ego and throw up my own logo. You know, I can know whose workshop this is. My name is Chad after all, so it comes with the name. You have to do things like that. It rhymes with whoosh. I can even use the TV to thank my Patreon supporters. Also want to thank my supporters on Patreon, especially my top supporter, Kyle Hixson. Thanks, Kyle. Adding upgrades to the workshop is always a lot of fun. If you can think of any ideas of things that you have in your shop or things that I could add to my shop to make it even more enjoyable and efficient, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Until then, I'll catch you on the next one.